Good morning. It's a Maui morning, and this is my little routine I do. I come out in the yard with my cat Luna, and we were talking about the theme of of cats. And that song was written for my other cat Max. It's called Maximus Kitty Boots. I'll probably teach that song in depth at some point because it's got a great picking pattern. So anyway, this is just a little hit it and quit it, and I wanted to say aloha from Maui. I hope you're doing okay, staying safe. We'll see you down the road.